Well, here's a car that is a little on the rare side. This 1995 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, beautiful yellow, and I think you'll find there are some reasons this is a rather rare car. Maybe the one for you. Beautiful competition yellow on the exterior, black interior, and has a beautiful black convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find a 305 horsepower LT1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Now, factory features include the dual power sports seats, electronic climate control, Bose Gold AM FM CD cassette stereo, and of course the car has power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control. Best of all, comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options. Now, this 95 Corvette Convertible features the desirable 6-speed manual transmission, and the car shows just 46,980 miles. It's in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, and those factory wheels are very good as well. The interior of this car, as you can see, has very good leather seats, good condition steering wheel, and additions to this car include the Axleback Performance exhaust and aftermarket horns. Now, this is a beautiful car, so if you want to check out the pricing and more detailed photos, click the link right down below this video, and it'll take you to all that information. And then give one of our sales representatives here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide every week, and we can make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. So call one of our representatives and talk to them about getting this car in your driveway very soon. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.